How to delete all archived stories on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to remove all your archived stories at once on your Android device. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open your settings. At this point, tap on Archive from the list of options. In the next step, you'll be taken to your Stories archive showing all your past stories. Following this, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the archive screen. Once done, tap on Select from the menu that appears. From here, tap on Delete All at the top right corner to select and delete everything at once. At this stage, a confirmation prompt will appear letting you know that your deleted stories will be available in Recently Deleted for 30 days in case you want to recover them. Finally, tap on Delete to confirm and all your archived stories will be removed immediately. And that's it. If this Instagram guide helped you clean up your story archive, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.